recently David spent quality time with his daughter Imade in ATL, Georgia.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. Oh God.
Yo, is born ready? You sure?
Yeah.
Right, come on, baby.
Go.
It's real war out here. Imade, Nova, I see you.
2 hands on phaser.
Got you. Bye. That's cool. So tell me what you love about sushi, because every time we go to a Japanese restaurant.
So sushi does have this kind of taste.
Why do you like sushi? Why?
Because it tastes very good. And I like raw things. Why don't you try some?
You already gave me and I didn't like it.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I don't want. I rated it.
Well done.
It's not medium well.
Medium well.
It's good.
Yeah.
Okay, how about a
Oh, God.
good?
No.
I knew you won't like it.
Come on, baby. You gotta open your mouth. You ready?
No.
Yeah. Open your mouth. Come on. You got this.
Okay, let my dad go first.
No, you go first.
All right, you go first.
All right. Put top.
Try.
You ready? Ready? Put your head up.
No, but
Look.
it's too hard.
No, it's not hot.
No, I
Try first.
do you first.
All right, come on, Daddy. One Daddy there. 1, 2.
Is it
All
hard?
right, give it one more. You ready?
I'm scared.
Whoop. Yeah.
Okay,
I do.
Now, you ready now? 1, 2.
Oh! You came out. You almost
Little one.
Nova. LA.
Where are you? I'm coming for you, boy.
2 hands on phaser. 2 hands on phaser.
Uncle David,
Yeah. The kids' day.
it's the kids' day.
Oh, God, it's the kids' day.
Is it a strike? Let's go. Is it a strike? Let's go, baby.
Okay, up.
Told you.
I just love the joy in David's voice, the smiles on his face whenever he's spending time with his children. I mean, I just love to see him happy, and I love that Chioma is such an amazing girl that does not try to prevent him from bonding with his kids. So guys, with that done and dusted, David may be on break, like the 5 Alive tour is done and dusted, but trust David, he doesn't understand what it means to rest. Because guess what, guys? David was at an event in New York, so for Juvia's place, a makeup product, Juvia's place. To be very honest, I didn't know that product was an international brand though. I thought it was like a local, an indigenous brand, a Nigerian based brand. I did not know that product was an international brand. So let's get to see some fun moments from that event. They had lots of makeup artists, and they also had David's cousin Nico's living. So let's get to see what went down at that event.
Say hey! Say what's up, George! Say what's up, everybody!
So let me take a quick break and give you guys gist. David's father has purchased a third private jet, number 3. The interior of the jet is beautiful and it is branded Adele. I think the Adele stands for Adeleke, because I know that one of their jets actually has David's father's company name on it, but this one is written Adele. The event was well put together. They had a lot of gift packs, drinks, good food, smart chops. The shop put in the work. They even invited an international artist. Although I don't know the girl, but I'm sure you guys would know her. Let me show you. I heard these artists are actually famous in America, and from the way people reacted, I could tell they enjoyed it all. So here we have Nike having the time of her life alongside other Nigerian makeup artists based in New York.
Samantha, get a body out just like a tampa. Come and have a drink, your
So guys, here we have some of the attendees eating. So the caption says, "These flowery puff puff were amazing." Guys, how are these flowery puff puffs? Well, I guess we may never know, as I know days yet to test them. So guys, let's take a break and take a look at David's father's latest acquisition, the latest jet in the Adeleke jet. What do they call it? Fleet. I guess that's what it's called. I don't know if there's any Nigerian who owns 3 private jets or more. Davido's father's money is long, like very long. And look how hard David works with his father's money. Church neck. The event planner finished work, no be small. This is exceptional. So I'd like to know, do you do makeup? What are your thoughts on the Juvia Place makeup? I think I had one of their palettes. It's so beautiful, the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to get one maybe tomorrow. So you can tell that the attendees looked really good. They came in their numbers, well dressed, ready to have a good time with their favorite artists and of course their favorite cosmetic brand.
I wanna chop like if you no shalaye, so no go bring nonsense.
Oh, hey!
Your favorites could never. Hey!
How are you? How are we? Are we living and loving for 2 years, please?